What's up guys, it's me Geek. If you're looking to buy a micro SD card, here is the new micro SD card. Yes, this one is the new one, A1. I will be explaining what is A1. This is SanDisk A1. Follow me on Twitter, like my Facebook page. You can grab this SD card from the link below. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get started with the unboxing and the review of the SanDisk A1 UHS1 class micro SD card. Jump to the table. Here is the SanDisk Ultra Micro SDHC UHS1 with A1, which means that it have a speed up to 98 megabits per second, but do not be confused by this speed, which do not mean that this speed is like the right speed. This is only the read speed, which is a good thing. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Let me open it and then test for you. I will be using this one for my phone. You can use this one for your phone, HTC Re, or any like vlogging action cam. Let me open it for you. Okay, here we go. Yes, it's already open. I'm really very much excited. Okay, it comes with the SD card adapter. Let me take out and see in which country it's made in. Let me just cut this one. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this one. Still it's not opening. Okay, this is really very frustrating. It's okay hard. Okay, now it's opening. What, I really don't understand what is going on here. Can I open? Come on. Okay, here's the SD card adapter, and let me take out the micro SD card. Okay, here is the micro SD card. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's really very hard to take out a micro SD card. So this one is made in, let me see, made in China. This is not like the Toshiba. Now let me do a speed test of it. Jump to the screen. So now let me open the So here it is, the SanDisk micro SD. As you can see, this is the SanDisk micro SD. I'm already using it with my camera, but I wanna demonstrate of copying. Okay, first I wanna format it. Okay, yeah, first I wanna format it. Let me leave the format. Okay, I will format it later. It's not that important at the end of the day, I can tell you. But let me copy this file, 1.7 gigabyte. Let's see how fast it can copy. Okay, 15.2. okay, I'm quite happy. It's slow, to be honest with you. The starting is quite slow. I was expecting like at least 30-40 megabyte per second. The Samsung can easily give you 75 megabyte per second. Sony around 65 megabyte per second. This is slow, absolutely slow. I mean, I can't recommend. I mean, 13.3 megabyte per second is absolutely horrible slow. I mean, it's going to take ages. I mean, it's horrible slow, to be honest with you. I could not, I mean, imagine. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this test here. I mean, it's horrible slow. Can I recommend this one? Please do not buy this one. This one is horrible slow. But if you still wanna buy, my link is in the description box below. Subscribe and buy.
Allah fahab li